Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord, for another day, another grind. Welcome sa day 30 ng ating daily vlog. Dito tayo sa gym na ngayon at kasama ko mga dreamers and doers. You know? So sila yung mga kasamahan natin. Meron kaming small group na kung saan iba't ibang take naman ng buhay. Pero we are dreamers and doers. So yun guys, what's up, what's up? Kakatapos lang ng meeting ko with Infra and meron lang silang konting announcement. Let's go.
Hi guys, we're Team Infra and we're inviting you guys to join us in Sober Nights with Infra. So, ayun.
This coming,
This coming September 26, that's Friday. So, yeah.
see you.
Dito yan, best.
Okay.
Kita-kita na lang tayo dito, guys.
Kasi guys, vlog lang naman to. Pinipilit ko lang si Jebby. So, sober update lang guys. Whole day tayo, sober busy tayo. So, pero pinaka-highlight lang is, nagkaroon na ng meeting. So, si Pen, yung supplier natin, yung import-exporter natin, meron siyang pinakitang sample product natin. Actually, sample packaging natin. And then by next week guys, pupunta kami na Manila para meet na nga si Sir Peter. Yan, hindi ko pa sinasabi ng pangalan pero si Sir Peter, sobrang lupit na tao yan. Hopefully, alam ko, by Wednesday, nandiyan na yung product galing China. So matitikman na natin yung content, yung pinagawa natin mga flavors. May meeting tayo kay Ate Des kanina, sobrang busy talaga. So yun na lang muna for today. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed it, even just a little every day. Once again, my name is Nat and I'm sober. Cheers!